From hundreds of millions that contain malware to other vulnerable extensions, the Chrome Web Store is full of issues. Browser extensions are a key part of how we navigate the web. They're designed to help support our browsing, adding functionalities and abilities that we otherwise wouldn't get from apps out of the box like Google Chrome. But the more that a browser can be customized, the more opportunities there are for issues to arise and vulnerabilities to be exploited. According to new analysis by researchers at Stanford University, a worrying number of extensions either harbor malware or are outdated in security. The researchers discovered that the average malware harboring extension remained in the store for 380 days, while vulnerable extensions existed for far longer, 1,248 days on average. This is extremely problematic, as such extensions put the security and privacy of their users at risk for years, the academics wrote. More than 346 million people worldwide have installed at least one of the extensions with issues in the last 3 years, with 280 million users using extensions containing malware. The researchers believe that future work to tackle this would be beneficial for the safety of all users. Users need to be more cautious than ever about what they install on their devices and through their browsers.